Hello everybody, welcome to Codex. My name is Shriyansh Goyal, pursuing undergraduate course from Netaji Subhash University of Technology. Today is the fourth episode of our web development journey. In the previous video, we have talked about HTML paragraph and heading tag, and in this video, we will be talking about HTML comments and HTML list. So I am very much excited. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have opened my web development folder. I will create a new folder named class 4. I will open it and click shift and right click and then open with code. Then my VS code will be opened and I've created a file name index.html here. I will create a file name index.html here. First I will remove this and create a file named index.html and write my boilerplate code. I will provide my page a title, HTML comments and lists. So let's first talk about the comments. Comments are all those things that a programmer doesn't want to print in his page, that a programmer doesn't want to print. Okay, so why do we write the comments? It's simple that we write the comments so that other person who is reading our code gets the better understanding of what we have written in our code. In the big company, it is generally used in companies status. When you go to a company as SD1, SD2, you have to write, because when you join a new company, you have to read their codes. So it's because so they give their file where you have to read their codes, and if they don't have written the comments, you will not understand what do have written and why they have written that. So they are basically written in just comment that they are written for that. So our first question: how to write comments in HTML? You have to first I will tell you a shortcut. You have to click control and forward slash key. If you press these two to all together, then the comments will be done. Like, see, I have pressed control and forward slash, and then between the thing you will return right will not be displayed in your web page. Will not be displayed in your web page. Like I write here, this is a comment. Okay, and if I preview that on my browser, you will see that my page has title, HTML comments and list that I have given, but there is nothing written in my browser. Why? Because I have written all this in comments. Okay, so how to write comments? I think you all have got. You have to first for forward arrow, opening arrow, and then exclamation mark, then two hash, and then write whatever you want to not to display in your code, not to be displayed in your output. Okay, so now let's talk about HTML list. I will get a heading here, lists. So there are three types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Let's talk about all of these lists in detail one by one. First, we will be talking about unordered list. Unordered list have unordered list are written under the tag UL and click enter. UL tag is used for unordered list, and the whatever you will write inside a list will be written inside an unordered list. Like I write, this is an unordered list, and if I preview that on my browser, you will see that here is written, this is an unordered list. Okay, and if I write something else here, like this is another line, and preview that on my browser, you will see that this is written on the same line. Okay, what we have studied in last class. Okay, but What if we want to display all these things in points? What if we want to display our things in points? Our suggestions, our thinking, our content in points. What will we do? We will simply use li tag. Which tag? Li. We will simply use li tag and write here like this is point 1, and then another li tag, this is point 2. And when I preview that on my browser, you will see that this is point 1 and this is point 2 are written in a bullets, and this is another list is written without bullets. Okay, I hope that you understood this. So let's talk about the ordered list. Ordered lists are written inside the tag ol. Okay. Similarly, if I write here like this is an ordered list and preview that on my browser, you will see that there is nothing bullet, nothing point, nothing A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, nothing else. But but if we write here li tag and write this is point 1 of ordered list and another li tag, this is point 2 of ordered list, and preview that on my browser, you will see that they are written with pointers 1 and 2. These point 1 and 2 are the default pointers. We can change their type, like if we want small alphabets, we can use them, like here I can type li type is equals to small a. If I write here small a, then the pointers will be, let me zoom it, then the pointers will be in a, small a and small b. And if I write here type is equals to capital A and preview that on my browser, you will see that the points will be capital A and capital B. Okay, and if I write here type is equals to I, small I, then the type will be in Roman numbers. And if I write capital I, then the type will be also a Roman number but in big. Okay, and that's all in order list. Now let's talk about the definition list, the third type. Definition list is generally not used much, but yes, it is used. Definition lists are written inside the tag dl. Okay, in definition lists are generally used to describe something's definition. Like if we want to describe something, if we want to describe tags, if we want to describe and give any definition in our content, then we can give that using definition list. Like if I write here, and as you know that the definition has two things: a title and a content. A title and its description. Like if I give, so definition list also needs a title. That title is given under the tag dt. Like I give here title tag, and definition description is given under dd tag, Okay, like I give html characters, and if I preview that on my browser, you will see tag html characters. They are written in this way. So that's all for today. I hope that you liked my video. So stay tuned, keep working hard, and I will see you next time.